You might be surprised to hear that only half of 1% of the Royal Tyrrell Museum's collection is on display. When you tour our exhibits, you're only seeing a tiny fraction of our fossils. Most of them are in our collection storage area. The collection is divided into two groups, prepared and unprepared. The unprepared specimens are the ones that are still in their field jackets, not yet cleaned off or studied. Some of these unprepared fossils were collected decades ago. In our prepared storage area, we store fossils that have been cleaned off, cataloged, and organized. Prepared specimens are put on shelves, in drawers and cabinets, and in some cases, stored in off-site warehouses because there's just not enough room for them here at the museum. Now you're probably wondering, what are the most common fossils we have in our collection? Well, there are a few ways we can answer this. In terms of sheer numbers, the clear winners are the microfossils, specifically pollen and spores. These are microscopic, which means a rock sample the size of a penny could have 500,000 pollen grains in it. Palynologists, the scientists who study pollen and spores, probably see more fossils on a single microscope slide than other paleontologists might encounter in their entire careers. We also have more than 20,000 invertebrate specimens, and many specimens include multiple individuals. These ammonites are all cataloged under the same number, but you can see many individuals. Most of the invertebrates are mollusks, including bivalves. What if we were to talk about weight? What type of fossil do we have where, if we were to pile them all together, they would weigh more than any other fossil we have in our collections? Well, it probably won't surprise you to know it's dinosaur bones. In particular, bones of Pachyrhinosaurus. Our team spent 4 summers digging up Pachyrhinosaurus fossils from a bone bed near Grand Prairie, Alberta. The fossils were packed so densely there could be as many as 150 bones in a square meter. Over those 4 summers, our crew collected around 3,000 Pachyrhinosaurus bones, including 13 skulls. And these were big dinosaurs. They could be up to 6 meters long, weighing around 2 tons, so they had very large and heavy fossilized bones. What about specific dinosaur body parts? It would be amazing if it were skulls, but unfortunately, skulls are made of many smaller bones that often break apart before they have a chance to be preserved. Think about what bones we have a lot of in our body. Backbones come to mind, and these are robust and sturdy, meaning they're more likely to preserve. Ribs are pretty common too. But the most common part of a dinosaur are their teeth. Teeth are made of dentine and enamel, both very tough minerals, which means they won't break very easily. And dinosaurs had lots of teeth. Some individuals could go through thousands of teeth in their life because, unlike us, dinosaurs could regrow their teeth their entire life. So if they lost one, there was always another one there to replace it. Our museum's collection is home to over 170,000 cataloged specimens and literally millions of individual fossils. Now, we definitely devote a large amount of the space to dinosaurs because they can get so big, but it's important to remember that paleontology is about more than just dinosaurs. From whole dinosaur skeletons down to tiny dinosaur teeth, from blocks full of invertebrates to microscopic pollen, all of these fossils are important to us because they're all a window into the past.